after the Bali blackout, several areas in Bogor City, West Java, experienced a power outage today. The outage occurred due to a disruption in the 150 kV network system. The power outage started at 5:30 p.m. and was still ongoing at 7:30 p.m. The power outage caused public street lighting and traffic lights on Bogor City main roads to go out. Additionally, the power at the Mega Bekasi Mall shopping center also went out, prompting visitors to rush out of the building. PLN stated that the affected areas include Duren Jaya, Perumnas 3 East Bogor City, Jalan Hasibuan, Jalan Sudirman, Perumnas 2, Jalan Raya Tambun, and Jalan Perjuangan Teluk Angsa.